In this data-hungry world, we need new means of storing digital information. DNA is a wonderful molecule that contains genetic information, but we can also use it to store digital information. The TextaDNA project aims to streamline this process of writing and reading DNA, that is, synthesis and sequencing of DNA, and to explore new materials in which to store DNA. That is why Nanogune is partnering with Eurofins Genomics, a leading European company in oligonucleotide synthesis and next-generation sequencing. In Nanogune, we will develop new materials in which to store DNA. These new materials will be stable, accessible, and non-toxic. In particular, we will explore fibers. In fact, the word text means collection of fibers. So this is what we will do. We will write words in DNA, store them in fibers, and make real texts.